I just love Nutella. It's just so tasty. Well, I'm gonna be using this Nutella and making no-bake Nutella cookies. And guess what else? We may learn a few things along the way. I love you, Nutella. You need a large saucepan. Let's add a stick of butter, 2 cups of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/2 cup of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of vanilla. Stir until melted and smooth. Nutella comes from Italy. It was created by a chocolatier named Giovanni Ferrero. It was created during the war times when chocolate was kind of hard to get. And they decided to add hazelnuts to it, mix it in to make it bigger and allow it to last longer. When it starts to boil, I need to stir it continuously for 1 minute. Then remove from heat. Giovanni originally made his chocolate hazelnut into a loaf that was meant to be sliced and placed on top of bread. Well, he came up with a spreadable form and called it pasta gianduja. Gianduja is named after this character that used to ride around on a donkey carrying a cask of red wine. Well, his son Michele kind of took over the recipe. He tweaked it a little bit and then changed the name to Nutella. Add a cup of Nutella and stir until smooth. Next, we add in 2 cups of sweetened shredded coconut and stir in 2 cups of quick oats. Every 13% of Nutella jars are made out of hazelnuts. I'm gonna drop large spoonfuls of the mix onto some wax paper. The Ferrero company also makes Ferrero Rocher, Kinder Eggs, and Tic Tacs. You can flatten them and shape them if desired, but you just let them set until completely cooled. Let's try this Nutella no-bake cookie. I love it. What a great dessert. And I could taste that hazelnut too. Yum. Why did the cat need its medication? It wasn't feline too good. Meow.